Hashtag the best protocol for long-term energy. Hook. What if I told you that the single biggest thing draining your energy every single day has nothing to do with how much coffee you drink, how much you sleep, or even how hard you work out? Most people are chasing energy in completely the wrong direction. And today, I'm going to show you exactly what the science says actually works, and give you a step-by-step protocol you can start using today. Why this matters? Let's be honest for a second. Most of us are exhausted. You wake up tired. You hit a wall at 2 p.m. You drag yourself through the afternoon. You crash on the couch at night. And then you do it all over again the next day. And the solution most people reach for? More coffee, more energy drinks, maybe a nap if they're lucky. But here's the problem. Those are band-aids. They're not fixing anything. They're just masking the real issue. Because energy isn't random. It's not just something that happens to you. Your body has very specific biological systems that control how energized or how exhausted you feel. And when you understand those systems, you can actually work with them instead of against them. That's what this protocol is about. Not hacks, not shortcuts, actual science-backed strategies that build real, sustainable energy over time. And the best part? None of this requires expensive supplements or some complicated routine. Most of it is completely free. Let's get into it. The science. Okay, so before we get to the protocol, you need to understand 3 key things that the science is telling us. Number 1, your circadian rhythm controls almost everything. Your body runs on a roughly 24-hour internal clock. This is your circadian rhythm. And this clock doesn't just control when you feel sleepy. It controls your cortisol levels, your body temperature, your metabolism, your focus, your mood, basically your entire biology. Research published in the journal Science and extensively discussed by Dr. Andrew Huberman at Stanford shows that the single most powerful way to set this internal clock is through light exposure, specifically morning sunlight hitting your eyes within the first 30 to 60 minutes of waking up. When you do this, your brain gets a clear signal. It knows what time it is. It releases cortisol at the right time, and cortisol in the morning is actually a good thing. It's your body's natural energy and alertness signal. When cortisol peaks early, it means it drops appropriately later in the day, which means you actually feel tired at the right time at night, which means you sleep better, which means you wake up with more energy. It's a beautiful cycle. But most people never start it properly because they wake up, look at their phone, and never see real daylight until they're already at work. Number 2, adenosine is the enemy, and most people are fighting it wrong. Here's something really important to understand. Fatigue is not just in your head. There's an actual molecule called adenosine that builds up in your brain the longer you're awake. The more adenosine, the sleepier you feel. Now, caffeine works by blocking adenosine receptors. It doesn't destroy adenosine. It just stops you from feeling it. But the adenosine is still there, building up. And the moment the caffeine wears off, crash. Hard. The research shows that the optimal window to consume caffeine is actually 90 to 120 minutes after waking up. Not immediately when you wake up. Dr. Huberman has talked about this extensively. When you delay caffeine, you allow your body's natural cortisol spike to do its job first. Then when cortisol starts to dip, caffeine comes in and extends your alertness. The result is more sustained energy with a much smaller crash in the afternoon. Most people are doing the exact opposite. They're drinking coffee the second they open their eyes, blunting their natural cortisol response, and then wondering why they feel terrible by noon. Number 3, non-sleep deep rest, or NSDR, is a game changer. This one is seriously underrated. Research out of Stanford and other institutions shows that short periods of deliberate rest, not sleep, but a specific kind of deep relaxation, can actually restore dopamine levels in the brain and dramatically improve focus and energy for the second half of your day. One study found that even a 10 to 20-minute NSDR session, sometimes called a yoga nidra practice, can replenish neurochemicals associated with motivation and drive. Huberman has called this one of the most powerful tools available for energy and cognitive performance. Think of it like a reset button for your brain. You're not sleeping. You're not scrolling your phone. You're doing a specific type of guided relaxation that lets your nervous system recover and recharge. We'll talk about exactly how to do this in the protocol section. The protocol. All right. Here's the actual protocol. 5 steps. Simple, clear, and based on everything the science is telling us. Step 1. Morning light within 30 to 60 minutes of waking. As soon as you wake up, get outside. Even if it's cloudy, even if it's cold, you need real outdoor light hitting your eyes. Not through a window, not through sunglasses. Just a few minutes outside. 5 to 10 minutes on a bright day. Up to 20 minutes on a cloudy day. This one step alone will start to regulate your entire circadian rhythm. It's the foundation everything else is built on. Step 2. Delay your caffeine by 90 to 120 minutes. I know, this one sounds brutal, but try it for just 1 week and pay attention to how different your afternoon feels. Wake up, get your morning light, drink water, maybe do some light movement, and then have your coffee or tea. Let your body's natural cortisol do its work first, then let caffeine extend it. And try to cut off caffeine by early afternoon, ideally before 1 or 2 p.m., so it doesn't interfere with your sleep that night. Step 3. Use NSDR in the early afternoon. Right around that 1 to 3 p.m. window when most people hit their energy wall. Instead of reaching for another coffee, try a 10 to 20 minute NSDR session. You can find free Yoga Nidra recordings on YouTube. Just search Yoga Nidra 10 minutes and pick one. You lie down, follow the guided voice, and let your nervous system reset. Most people feel genuinely refreshed afterward. Not groggy like after a nap. Actually alert and clear-headed. This is one of the most powerful things you can do for your afternoon energy, and it costs you nothing. Step 4. Get some form of movement every day. This doesn't have to be a full gym session. Even a 20 to 30-minute walk increases blood flow, boosts dopamine and serotonin, and signals to your body that it's daytime and time to be alert. Morning or early afternoon movement is ideal. Try to avoid intense exercise late at night because it raises cortisol and body temperature, both of which can disrupt your sleep. Step 5. Protect your evening light environment. This one is just as important as the morning light step, but in the opposite direction. After sunset, dim your lights. Avoid bright overhead lighting. Try to use lamps or warmer, lower lights in the evening. And yes, try to reduce screen time or use blue light filters if you're on your phone or laptop. Bright artificial light in the evening tells your brain it's still daytime. It suppresses melatonin, delays sleep, and wrecks your sleep quality. And bad sleep is the #1 cause of low energy the next day. So protect that evening environment. It directly determines how you're going to feel tomorrow morning. Common mistakes. Now let's talk about the mistakes people make when they try to fix their energy, because I see these all the time. Mistake number 1, going straight for supplements. People spend a ton of money on energy supplements before they've nailed the basics. Sunlight, sleep, movement, hydration. These are free and they're more powerful than almost any supplement on the market. Build the foundation first. Mistake number 2, drinking coffee first thing. We already talked about this. Delayed caffeine is one of the easiest swaps you can make, and the difference is real. Give it 1 week. You'll feel it. Mistake number 3, trying to catch up on sleep on weekends. You can't really bank sleep or pay back sleep debt the way most people think. Sleeping in on weekends actually shifts your circadian rhythm, making Monday morning feel like jet lag. Consistency is what matters. Try to wake up at roughly the same time every day, even on weekends. Mistake number 4, skipping the NSDR because it feels weird. A lot of people hear Yoga Nidra and immediately think it's not for them. But this isn't about spirituality or flexibility or any of that. It's a neuroscience-backed relaxation technique that restores brain chemistry. Give it a fair shot before you dismiss it. Mistake number 5, trying to change everything at once. Pick 1 or 2 things from this protocol and start there. Maybe it's just the morning light and the delayed caffeine. Do those consistently for a week. Then add the NSDR. Build it gradually. Sustainable change beats perfect plans that fall apart after 3 days. Closing. Here's the bottom line. Energy is not a mystery. It's biology. And your biology responds to very specific inputs: light, movement, rest, timing. When you give your body the right signals at the right times, it rewards you with the kind of sustained, clear, all-day energy that most people have completely forgotten is even possible. This isn't about being perfect. It's about being consistent with a few key behaviors that compound over time. Morning light, delayed caffeine, NSDR in the afternoon, daily movement, protected evenings. That's the protocol. Start with 1 step today, just 1, and see what happens. If you're going to commit to trying this, comment protocol down below right now. Let's see how many people are serious about this. And if you found this useful, share it with someone who's always complaining about being tired. You might just change their life. I'll see you in the next one. Remember, small consistent actions compound over time. Comment protocol if you're going to try this today. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. See you in the next one.